Welcome to the future of website interaction with AI. Introducing WPAI Assistant, the game-changing plugin that makes your WordPress site smarter and more interactive by seamlessly integrating with OpenAI. With OpenAI's advanced assistant, you get AI-powered chat that's not just smart, but also trained with your data for more personalized responses. With WPAI Assistant, setting up and managing your own AI assistant has never been easier. Whether you need it for customer support, content generation, or handling complex queries, this powerful tool adapts to your needs, making your website more intuitive and engaging. Think of WPAI as having OpenAI as your very own virtual assistant right inside your WordPress site. By simply using your OpenAI API key, you're connecting to one of the world's most powerful AI systems at no extra cost. You can create a customer service bot, a content creation assistant, or even an AI advisor to help your visitors. In this video, I'll walk you through the process by building an AI agent that specializes in Tesla as an example. I'll train it with custom data to make it more knowledgeable and accurate. But first, I'll show you how to create your own AI assistant and customize it to fit your needs. The setup includes various options, and the developer has added helpful instructions along the way so you won't feel lost. Plus, there are recommended settings you can tweak to make your AI sound more friendly and professional. Let's get started. As you probably already know, a brand new AI isn't all-knowing, it needs to be trained and shaped into the kind of assistant you want. Think of it like raising a child or coaching an employee. If I want my AI to sound like a salesman, I need to train it with sales language and techniques. If I want it to think like a philosopher, I have to feed it philosophy documents. The same goes for any other expertise. In this case, as I mentioned earlier, I'll be training my AI assistant to become a specialist in Tesla manufacturing. To do that, we need to dive into the AI's customization settings, specifically the training section. This section pulls information from three main sources: WordPress content, uploaded documents, and external URLs. The first source is WordPress itself. The AI can automatically pull content from your site's posts, pages, and even custom post types to generate more accurate responses. It combines OpenAI's intelligence with your data, making its answers more relevant to your website. Here on my site, as you can see, I have some blog posts related to Tesla. These are just examples I created to train my AI assistant. This means when someone asks a question, the assistant will pull knowledge from these articles, keeping its responses accurate, relevant, and up-to-date. The next training source is documents. You can enhance your assistant's knowledge by uploading important files like PDFs, guides, or FAQs. These documents allow the AI to provide more in-depth answers to user queries. There's also a file search feature that lets the assistant scan document content, and if you need to modify or extract specific data, like from an Excel sheet, you can use the code interpreter. For my AI assistant, I'll be training it with a solid 300-page PDF, which is the full Tesla car owner's manual. This will help it answer detailed questions about Tesla vehicles in the future. And finally, we have external URLs. No matter how much information you provide, your AI is only as knowledgeable as the data it has access to. That's why pulling in outside sources can be a game changer. By crawling and integrating content from external websites, your AI can stay updated with industry trends and answer highly specific questions. For this example, I'll connect my AI assistant to an external blog focused on electric vehicles. I'll paste the URL here, and for the sake of this demo, I'll stick to just one link to keep things quick. But in a real-world scenario, you could integrate market-leading blogs, industry news sites, or research pages to give your assistant a much broader knowledge base. I've now trained my assistant using documents, WordPress content, and external URLs, all focused on Tesla as a car manufacturer. This means I can pull information directly from my blog and ask my assistant about it, something that wouldn't be possible with the default ChatGPT model, since this is recent, specialized information that isn't publicly available. Now, let's test the assistant from the front end. For this demo, I'll keep it in the default bottom right position, but there are plenty of integration options, including embedding it using a WordPress shortcode. For testing, I created a fun, original article from scratch called The Adventures of Elon Musk, Tesla's Quest for Laughs. Since this is unique content that doesn't exist anywhere else on the internet, it's a great way to check if the AI is actually pulling information from my blog. And as you can see, the assistant's response is based on chapter 2 of that article. Right now, the way it replies still sounds a bit robotic because I haven't configured its personality settings. But with enough training and fine-tuning, you can make your AI sound exactly the way you want, whether that's professional, friendly, or even humorous. Last but not least, if you take a look at the final section of the assistant settings, you'll find the model selection under Advanced Settings. WPAI Assistant lets you choose from OpenAI's top models, like GPT-4o or the Turbo versions, giving you full control over performance, creativity, and response speed. As you can see, each assistant can be assigned a specific model. If you want highly creative and detailed responses, go for the most advanced model. If you need quick, efficient answers, a Turbo model is the better choice. Beyond that, you can fully customize your AI chats designed to match your branding. You can adjust colors, fonts, and sizes, and even give your assistant a unique name. Plus, whenever you tweak these settings, a live preview appears on the right side, so you can instantly see how your assistant will look and make sure it blends seamlessly with your website's interface. WP Assistant AI gives you all the tools you need to create a powerful, AI-driven assistant for your WordPress site. From customer support to content recommendations, it's your personalized AI solution. There are WordPress plugin integrations with their respective content blocks, widget, or module, whatever their names are. The plugin is available at the affordable price of $29 for a year of support and update, and the license is multi-site. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about new plugin features and ask us any question using the comments. And of course, you'll find all the useful link we've talked about in the description. See you soon for another video. Bye.